So what is a parent you can do to aid the child's psychic development when he is a newborn? So here I want to clarify the term alien environment. Let's go into the life of animals. For example, when we say a new kitten is born to a cat, we can see the mother cat hides her kittens in a dark corner from other living beings around it. In a similar fashion with other animals in the forest too, for example like the bisons, tigers, wild pigs, etc. For instance, the mother bison takes its time off from its herd to be with its calf for several weeks altogether. It takes care of it till it helps the calf to be part of its herd and lead a very normal life. But the same bison, when left in a zoo with its calf, will eat its own offspring. You know why? Pathetic. But the reason behind it is the bison is not in its own natural environment but in an alien environment, that which hinders the natural instincts due to the artificial interlude. Same is the case with the mankind. Believe that? We live in an artificial environment which is man-made, and the newborn child enters into one rather than the natural environment which God intended us for. This artificial environment is for the adult man for his easy existence. Yeah, that we totally agree. But here, where is the place for a newborn? When a child is born, everyone around the child is concerned about the mother because of the pain and the mental pressure the mother has undergone. They want to help her regain her normal self. But the child, on the other hand, has faced an equal amount of trauma and sufferings as that of the mother.